In the heart of the swamp, a fascinating phenomenon unfolds. Here, amidst the dense vegetation and murky waters, a unique natural process takes place that has intrigued scientists and nature enthusiasts alike for decades. American alligators, those ancient reptiles, possess a secret hidden within their nests. This secret is a marvel of evolutionary adaptation, a testament to the intricate balance of nature. Unlike many animals, the sex of an alligator is not predetermined by chromosomes at conception. Instead, it is influenced by an external factor that is both simple and profound. Instead, it's the temperature of the developing eggs during incubation that determines whether a hatchling will emerge as male or female. This temperature-dependent sex determination is a finely tuned mechanism that ensures the survival and balance of the species. This remarkable process, known as temperature-dependent sex determination, showcases the incredible power of the environment in shaping life itself. It is a vivid example of how living organisms are intricately connected to their surroundings. Imagine a clutch of alligator eggs nestled within a carefully constructed mound of vegetation. The mother alligator meticulously builds this nest, using her powerful tail and limbs to gather plant material and mud. The warmth of the sun penetrates the nest, influencing the development of the embryos within. The temperature within the nest can vary depending on factors such as the amount of sunlight, the thickness of the vegetation, and the ambient temperature of the swamp. It's a delicate balance, a biological tightrope walk where even slight temperature variations can tip the scales towards male or female. This delicate interplay between the environment and the developing embryos is a testament to the wonders of nature and the resilience of life. The temperature range that determines an alligator's sex is surprisingly specific. This fascinating phenomenon is a perfect example of how nature intricately balances life. Temperatures around 86 degrees Fahrenheit or 30 degrees Celsius and below during a critical period of incubation typically produce females. This critical period is usually within the first half of the incubation process, where the embryos are most sensitive to temperature changes. However, when the mercury rises above 93 degrees Fahrenheit, or 34 degrees Celsius, males dominate the hatchlings. This temperature-dependent sex determination ensures a balanced ratio of males to females in the population, which is vital for the species' survival. This narrow temperature band highlights the crucial role of environmental factors in the alligator life cycle. Even slight deviations in temperature can significantly impact the sex ratio of the hatchlings, demonstrating the delicate balance of nature. This temperature sensitivity is thought to be controlled by hormones. Researchers have found that the temperature influences the activity of certain genes that regulate hormone production. Specific enzymes, sensitive to temperature fluctuations, influence the production of hormones like estrogen and testosterone within the developing embryos. These hormones then guide the development of the reproductive organs, determining whether the alligator will be male or female. This intricate interplay between temperature, enzymes, and hormones ultimately determines the sex of the alligator. Understanding this process not only sheds light on the complexities of reptilian biology, but also underscores the importance of preserving natural habitats to maintain these delicate environmental conditions. As the days lengthen and temperatures rise, the alligator breeding season commences, usually between May and July. After mating, female alligators meticulously construct nests, creating mounds of vegetation that serve as incubators for their precious eggs. These nests, strategically located near water, provide the ideal environment for temperature regulation. The incubation period, typically lasting around 60 days, becomes a race against time and temperature. The female alligator diligently guards her nest, making adjustments to the structure to regulate the internal temperature. She may add or remove vegetation to maintain the optimal conditions for her developing offspring. The impact of even subtle temperature shifts on alligator sex determination is remarkable. A mere 2 degrees Fahrenheit difference within the nest can significantly alter the sex ratio of the hatchlings. This sensitivity highlights the delicate balance that exists between temperature and sex determination in these reptiles. The implications of temperature fluctuations extend beyond individual nests. Variations in climate and weather patterns can influence the overall sex ratios of alligator populations within a given area. Understanding these subtle but significant effects is crucial for conservation efforts and managing alligator populations. Finding the sweet spot for alligator offspring. While temperature extremes dictate male or female development, there's a sweet spot within the temperature range that optimizes reproductive success. Temperatures hovering around 89 to 91 degrees Fahrenheit or 32 to 33 degrees Celsius often produce a balanced ratio of male and female hatchlings. This balanced sex ratio is crucial for the long-term health and stability of alligator populations. It ensures that there are enough males and females to mate and produce the next generation. This delicate balance, orchestrated by temperature, is a testament to the power of natural selection. The intricacies of temperature-dependent sex determination. Temperature-dependent sex determination, while fascinating, is a complex process that scientists are still working to fully unravel. Researchers continue to study the specific genes, enzymes, and hormonal pathways involved in this unique form of sex determination. The study of alligator reproduction provides valuable insights into the evolutionary history of reptiles and the diverse mechanisms of sex determination found in the animal kingdom. It challenges our understanding of traditional genetic models and highlights the intricate relationship between organisms and their environment. The evolutionary advantage of temperature-based sex determination. The evolution of temperature-dependent sex determination in alligators and other reptiles is thought to be an adaptation to their environments. This fascinating mechanism allows these creatures to respond dynamically to the climatic conditions they experience during the critical period of egg incubation. By linking sex determination to temperature, these reptiles can potentially optimize the sex ratios of their offspring to suit the prevailing environmental conditions. This means that the temperature at which the eggs are incubated can influence whether the hatchlings will be male or female. For instance, in warmer years with abundant resources, a higher proportion of females might be advantageous, as they are the primary caregivers, and their reproductive success is linked to resource availability. Female alligators play a crucial role in nurturing and protecting the young, ensuring the survival of the next generation. Conversely, in cooler years, a higher proportion of males might be favored. Males often engage in territorial behaviors and compete for mates, which can be beneficial in different environmental contexts. This flexibility in sex ratios allows alligator populations to adapt to changing environmental conditions. By having the ability to adjust the sex ratio of their offspring, alligators can better ensure the survival and thriving of their species in the face of environmental fluctuations. This remarkable adaptation highlights the intricate ways in which life on Earth evolves to meet the challenges posed by nature. Environmental threats to temperature-sensitive reproduction. While temperature-dependent sex determination provides a level of adaptability, it also makes alligators vulnerable to environmental changes. Climate change, with its potential to alter temperature patterns, poses a significant threat to these ancient reptiles. Rising temperatures could skew sex ratios, leading to an overabundance of one sex and a shortage of the other. This imbalance could have detrimental effects on alligator populations, potentially impacting their long-term survival. A delicate balanced temperature and the future of alligators. The story of the alligator's gender secret is a reminder of the delicate balance that exists in nature. Temperature, a seemingly simple environmental factor, plays a profound role in shaping the lives of these ancient reptiles. As we continue to study and appreciate the wonders of the natural world, it's crucial to remember the interconnectedness of all living things and the importance of protecting the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. The future of alligators, with their temperature-controlled destinies, is inextricably linked to our own.